I've wanted to start a real car channel for years. This isn't going to be a car channel that buys whatever's trending. If you stick around, you're probably going to see a bunch of cars that people probably wouldn't agree with or don't necessarily like. And honestly, that's kind of the point. A little background of the cars that I've personally owned in the past is my first car was a 2001 Monte Carlo SS. I loved that car. I mean, it wasn't the fastest, it wasn't the coolest looking, but I loved it. It treated me good. Never had any issues. I even totaled it and rebuilt it, and no issues after that even. Then I eventually got a Mercedes, a 2008 E350. A bubble-eyed Benz is like one of my favorite cars ever. I don't know why, they just are appealing to me. And now one of my dream cars that's going to be on this channel eventually is about a 2008 or 2009 E63 AMG. It's like by far my favorite AMG looks-wise out of anything I've seen. That's a pretty unique take, I think. I just don't see them a lot. Maybe they're not the most reliable, but they got a vicious V8 in them. They're badass cars. They look sick. They're bubble-eyed Benz, which is one of my favorites. My favorite. They're just dope. Then I eventually got a Silverado, a truck. It was a LT base model, 1500. It was a 2014. It treated me good until about 120,000 miles and a hurricane in Florida. And the hurricane totaled it out, so it did what it could, and I used it to start a business. It was a very beneficial car for me, actually. That might be my smartest financial decision ever, vehicle wise. I paid $22,000 for it, made a ton of money off of it with the business I started, and then when it got totaled out 5 years into my ownership, they valued it at $22,000. It was $100 short of what I paid for it. So that financially was an awesome decision. It didn't go up in value, but it didn't lose none. Then I got an Alfa Romeo Stelvio. Yeah, I'll definitely do more videos on the channel about that. That was the worst financial decision we made. It's a long story. We also had other little cars like a Mazda 3, a Ford Fusion, a few other things. I also got a winter beater. It's a 2013 Ford Expedition XLTEL. That's a lot of stuff. And that thing, we call it old reliable. It's still sitting in our garage, and it's, yeah, I don't plan on that going anywhere. I might try to like put some cosmetic mods on it, maybe a Raptor grill, new headlights, and tint it or something. Put some new wheels on it maybe on this channel. So if you like that old truck content, I'll have a little bit of that. Then now I'm sitting in the BMW X7. It's a 2024. It's very nice. This is by far the most luxurious, biggest, well, maybe not the biggest, but it's the most luxurious SUV we've ever had, and it's badass. I love this car. We're still fresh into our ownership of it, so barring no issues with it, I think we'll be sticking around these as far as luxury family SUVs go. But this one will be here for a while, and there's gonna be videos on this coming. And then I just got a new car, so my car taste might not sound that unique from the surface of what I've owned, but the cars I've owned are technically not what make my taste unique. My taste is unique because of what I want and what I plan to get in the future. So I got some opinions people don't like. It is what it is. I like to buy cars, and I love it when people look at me and go, why the hell would you buy that? The channel's called Duty Cars for a reason. I don't know if I'm gonna make that my name on YouTube, but it is my car channel name on IG. Kind of a joke. My taste might be shit to a lot of people. My last name is also Duty, so it just fits. Like Duty Cars, unique taste, shitty taste, whatever. I don't care. It's funny. Instead of fighting it, I just leaned into my unique taste. I don't care about owning like the fastest Ferrari, the fastest Lambo, the craziest cars. I just care about what would be the coolest garage to build for me. Like, nobody else's opinion really matters. It shouldn't matter, but I know it does to a lot of people, and to me, it does not at all. A few of the cars that I really like, this is where it kind of gets interesting, is the BMW i8. I don't even have to say much about that. A lot of people hate it. The W211 E63 AMG. I don't know why it's not more liked, but maybe there's a reason. But still, to me, it's one of my dream cars. It's really not that expensive. I just didn't want to start the channel with that, so that's why I got what I got. I've never been a Corvette guy. I've always respected them. I always thought they looked cool, but I've never been a guy who wants one until the C8 Z06. The sound, the look, the mid-engine, the convertible specifically is the one I like. It's just badass. That car is badass, and the Corvettes get a lot of hate. I don't think they're midlife crisis cars anymore. I mean, they are for some people, but I don't think that stereotype fits anymore. Like, those cars need more respect. When it comes to Lamborghini, a lot of my buddies want the Huracan, the Aventador, the SVJs. I don't care about none of that. The Lamborghini that I would enjoy the most is the Sterrato. I think an off-road Huracan is crazy. It's crazy to look at. Like, it's just crazy to see. I've seen a couple in person. Wild cars. And then a C63S AMG. Really, any year would be dope. I mean, those cars are just badass. I hear a lot of horror stories about them, but at the same time, like, if it's not your main sports car, then it's not that big of a deal, and it would just be a badass car to own. If you can't tell, I'm a little bit of a Mercedes guy. I like the older ones a lot, but the newer ones are still super nice to me too. I just like Mercedes. I'm saying that as I'm sitting in a Beamer. But before any of those cars ever show up on the channel, there's one car that starts everything, and I'm flying to Memphis on Tuesday to get that car. There'll be one long form video a week. At least that's what I'm planning right now. Every modification, every mistake, every road trip, every purchase. This is basically chapter 1. So if you guys want to see me try to build my dream garage and tag along, even if you just want to give me shit for my unique taste, let's get it.